Kaylin, and Ali.
And this is Kumadoo.
From Kumadoo's Kitchen.
We want to make today
Strawberry shortcake. Okay, so our ingredients are 2/4 cup of flour,
1/3 of a cup of shortening,
4 teaspoons of baking powder,
Put it together.
2 tablespoons of white sugar,
a 1/4 teaspoon of salt,
2/3 cup of milk,
and 1 egg.
So now we're on to the second part of our strawberry shortcake. Here I just have 1/2 kilo of strawberries. They've already been washed and cut into quarters. And then I have here 1/3 cup of sugar. All we're gonna do is add the sugar and then mix it. This is just something that tastes so good on the strawberry shortcake. So yeah.
So I put it in the piece.
And now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So our shortcake is done baking and we have our strawberries out of the fridge. I was gonna say oven. We also just have some whipped cream that you can put on top. So we're gonna start. Just crumble it just a little bit. You don't want it like a super crumbly consistency, but you don't want it like super solid. Now we're gonna take some of our strawberries. They look so good. So we're just gonna add some on top, just like that. And then we're gonna take our whipped cream, shake it up, and add it on top.
You can put a little bit more, Ali. Oh, look at that.
And it looks really good, so I'm gonna try some of that.
Oh, that's so good. Mmm.
Yeah.
So yummy.